This is part 9 of my 2018 Honda City series. Kindly check out the playlist for more videos about restoring this car. Thank you. If you have a dull chrome trim in the exterior of your car and doesn't know the right product to use, then this video is for you. I will polish the chrome trims of this car quick and easy. This particular fascia that is full of chrome is similar to the 5th generation Honda CR-V and the 10th generation Honda Civic FC/FK. Honda designers fell in love with chrome in this model series. Chrome polishing is important because if I have a shiny clean paint and a clean headlight lenses, but that chrome is dull, it will ruin the overall appearance of this car. So, what is the best way to remove those nasty blemishes on chrome? I will use Pledge metal polish. Any metal polish is fine as long as it is effective. I have tried metal polish that doesn't work before using Pledge. Don't forget to give it a nice shake before using to mix and activate those ingredients. Pour some product in the microfiber towel, then rub it on the surface until smooth. By the way, make sure that the surface to be treated are clean. I used an APC and panel wipe combination before starting. You may use waterless or rinseless washes as well to remove any contaminants and oils on the chrome before polishing. Once you feel the surface is smooth, you're ready to buff it off. Using the same microfiber towel, I used the clean and dry part. Wow, quick and easy, beautiful clean and shiny chrome finish. Just repeating the process in the rest of the area, I did a smaller section to make the cleaning manageable and effective. I hope I was able to share something helpful with this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you consider subscribing to this channel, thank you. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone.